morning, besties. I just got my hair done super early. I have a bachelorette trip to get ready for. I just got a package though of some clothes from ModCloth that I might even be wearing on the bachelorette trip. This is not gonna be the best angle of me, but we will make do. I think my vlogging camera is upstairs. Need to keep track of it. I got 2 dresses. I bought them both in a 4X because I have no idea how ModCloth sizing is. It's too big, I'm gonna be sad. Look at that. I need to wear pink. And this looks like it's gonna be so cute. And then I'll show you the other one. This one won't be for the bachelorette trip, obviously, because it's white. But I saw it, and I knew I had to try it. Cute. It's just like a white version of what I just showed you. Super long, flowy dress. I'm gonna try it out. My only goals for the day are honestly, make sure I don't mess up my hair. I just need to get ready. And then I need to make the present for Liz, the bride. Something super cute I'm doing is I got these delicious bottles of Moscato. This is my favorite Moscato. And I got these little labels to put over it. It's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. I got this for her and some other stuff. I need to like put it all together. We will try these on later, but for now, I'm gonna drink the world's smallest coffee. I didn't want a huge coffee this morning because I didn't have my meds yet. So I have to take my meds and my supplements. We'll play it by ear today. I'm gonna see. I know I need to do more food prep, but I don't think I'm gonna get to that this weekend. So we'll see what I actually accomplish. Hello, B. Hey, me, handsome boy. He's like, Mom, come on. I just came inside. All right, let's do a little Sephora haul. I got this powder from Rare Beauty and I already have it and I don't know why I picked it. Like I know I have this. So this was just like a brain fart. I really needed an eye primer for eyeshadow. So I got the Hydro Grip eye primer. So I'm hoping that works well. Sample. I really wanted to try the Dior concealer and I'm pretty sure this is the Dior foundation. I am really trying to find my perfect base. And now that Dior is all clean beauty, I'm excited. And then this is an absolute must. This is a repurchase. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I wanted this for the wedding and for all the other stuff that I'm doing because it stays put and it has like fibers in it. It's amazing. And I haven't used it in so long, which is crazy. So I need to return this before like I open it accidentally and try this stuff out tomorrow. So that's a fun little Dior haul. The gift is done. Step 1 of the bachelorette trip is over. Well, I guess this is step 2 because hair was step 1. Now I need to go do my makeup. We need to pick an outfit out together. I will be vlogging a tiny bit of it, but we just need to get started with the makeup. So I think what I'm gonna do is just do my makeup and have some music on in the background and we will reconvene at the end to figure out an outfit. I'm thinking about that pink dress that's up there, but I'm not exactly sure yet. So we'll figure that out together. Everything that I'm using today will be linked down below in the description box. So if you wanna know specifics on products, just check out the description box for all the details, but let's get into it. I am gonna be using some new products today. I forgot to mention, I got some Makeup by Mario cream blushes, the Gwen Stefani Prep and Smooth Face Oil. I also got some new concealers and some new eye product. I got the Stay Concealer and the Lawless Concealer. I'm trying to find the best clean beauty concealer. That is on my list for 2023 to do. If not 2024, I'm trying a Kat Von D product and a Chanel eyeshadow. So we have a lot of new stuff to try. I should have done a haul, but I don't want to do so many hauls on my channel, but inevitably I am a shopper even when I try to be better. So it's just who I am. This packaging is everything. Oh my gosh, I love it. I did already prep my face with some skincare. I do have a moisturizer on and also a serum and a water mist, but I'm gonna put this on and try it out anyway. I really hope my makeup lasts. I probably shouldn't put this on because it's gonna be humid. That was a mistake. It's gonna be humid though, so I need to have like humidity proof makeup. And now cue the music. here is the completed outfit. I got this dress from ModCloth. I have my little toy sandals on and my purse. I would have normally paired a different purse with this look, but I did not feel like switching everything out. So I'm just using my everyday purse, and this dress is so cute. Time to celebrate.
I know. Just like decoration, like rice.
So excited. I try to make it pretty. Sorry, I didn't have silver, I only had gold, but I'm like, she'll be fine.
No, literally it's fine.
Look at that, another bag that you can reuse.
And it says bride on it.
That's a smart idea too. Oh, it does.
It'd be an amazing beach bag too.
Oh, that's cute. That is really cute. All right. Wedding.
Because you already got the engagement
She got me one
one.
that said, "OMG, you're engaged."
You better than I saw it.
Oh, the clip.
You're a clippy girl.
Oh, bedazzled things. Guys, my shoes are bedazzled for the wedding.
There's only one other thing in there, so you're not searching.
Thank you. Some shoes. Oh, these are great.
Night one of the Bachelorette party is done. I'm tired. It isn't even that late, but I just got home and I have a couple of things to show you guys because I bought some makeup, so let's go look. I think I just said in a clip before how I am shopping too much. I need to reel it back in. I gotta reel it in. I ordered from Rose Inc. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. What is this? I got their cooling spheres for skincare. Are you kidding me? Love that. They're having a sale, so that's why I picked some things up that I've been wanting to try. I picked up their SPF because obviously for summer, much needed. I'm pretty sure I got their serum too. Here's their serum, and then here's their toner. I thought I got a bigger toner. That's crazy, it's so small. But yeah, I just wanted to try, this is the mini size. I wanted to try out some things. This was for free. Oh, I guess it's another one of the SPFs. And this was also like a gift with purchase thing, so that's fun. I just opened the bag that came for free with my purchase. It is such good quality. Normally the bags like suck, but this is so nice. I got the skincare primarily for all the makeup that I'm gonna be doing at the wedding in the future. And I wanted like a cohesive set of skincare that would be really gentle on everybody's skin that I have to do. And I also got disposables to make that easier. I'm gonna do a whole video on the makeup kit that I'm making. I end up doing everybody's makeup at weddings. It's really fun, I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna use that bag to put all the skincare in so I know where all the skincare is in one area. So that'll be fun. I think I'm gonna get a Zuka bag just because those can carry so much. So this is outfit number 2 for the Bachelorette trip. I am wearing this nice off-the-shoulder pink top with good American jeans. I'm gonna wear cute little sandals with it. I'm gonna keep my hair up because it's probably gonna be hot. My makeup is done. It's kind of like pink and ethereal. I also put this on my skin to give me some glow. I just need to get my handbag and I just need to make sure I keep putting this down because it keeps riding up. That's the only thing I don't like about off-the-shoulder tops is when they slowly make their way up. He's sad that I have to go, but I will be back soon and we will play. Time for some brunch. All right, besties, that is it. This is the end of the vlog. I just wanted to do a little bit of a recap before we end the vlog officially. The bachelorette party with Liz was so much fun, and this one was different because it wasn't like a typical bachelorette trip where you have to go to another state or party a lot. This one was much more low-key and a lot of family was involved, so it was really fun. It was so nice for everybody to visit together, and I got to meet a lot of the ladies that are in Liz's life that I don't necessarily get to spend time with otherwise. So it was really fun to meet them. I'm so looking forward to the bridal shower. It is coming up so soon. I'm kind of documenting her wedding process, I guess. It's what it turned into on my channel, at least for my vlogs. It's just been so fun, and summer is the season of weddings. And I know there was a bunch of random hauls in this video, which I didn't plan. It just kind of happened, and I just included them in the vlog footage anyway. I love filming these vlogs because I can always look back and see what we were up to in past eras of our life. So with that, I'm gonna end the video. I love you all. Bye.